y is the part of the fraction, and we have y by itself on the left side of the equal sign. Okay, so I'm going to try first pull out this y from the fraction by eliminating fraction, by multiplying both sides of the equation by the denominator. Okay, I'm going to multiply both sides equation by x. X and x will cancel out. So I have x, y equals x minus y. Now, this term contains y. I have y subtracted from x. So I'm going to take this negative y and move to the left side, because I want to collect all y's on the left side. And I have x, y plus y. I have to change the sign because xy stands at the original position and x is at the original position. That's why anytime I move anything from right to left or left to right, I have to change the sign next to it. So I'm going to have x. Next, I'm supposed to factorize y from these two terms. That's why I'm going to have y x plus 1 equals x. Okay, someone is going to ask why we have 1 over here. Remember, anytime we do not have any integer next to the variable, or other words saying any number or any variable next to the variable or number, there is always invisible 1. If you are going to pull out this y and this one in the front of the parenthesis, this invisible 1 becomes visible. Okay, that's why I have 1 over here. Next, please realize that y is multiplied to the parenthesis. I have to find simply y. So I have to eliminate this multiplication. How I can do that? By dividing both sides of the equation by the parenthesis. So I have x plus 1 and I have x plus 1. So this one and this one will cancel out, and my solution is y equals x over x plus 1.